Hello everybody! Today I have a couple quick alterations to share with you guys. I will show you how I altered the top part of this dress and how I altered the neckline of this shirt. That's today on Refashioning with Rachel. So this dress fit my body pretty well, but I was not a fan of the turtleneck, and I also wanted to lower the shoulder seams. So the first thing I did was cut off the neckband. Then I tried on the dress inside out and pinned the shoulders to where I wanted them. I roughly sketched in where I wanted the new neckline to be in the front and in the back. I more clearly drew in where I wanted the shoulder seams. I cut off the excess fabric a centimeter above where I drew that new seam line. I folded the front of the dress in half and cut out a new neck hole about a centimeter away from where I sketched it in. And I did the same thing on the back. Then with right sides facing, I pinned together the shoulder straps and trimmed a bit away from the front to make them even. Then I sewed the shoulder seams, being careful to line up the side of the shoulder seams that were already finished. And since I'm working with knit, I used a zigzag stitch. Then I used a multiple step zigzag stitch to flatten out this seam so that it wouldn't be bulky sitting on top of my shoulder. Then I hemmed the neckline by folding it over twice and securing it with a zigzag stitch. And then this quick alteration was finished. This is a reminder of how the dress looked before. And this is how it looks now. I love these kind of quick fixes because there's so many clothes in our closet or that we get handed down or that are in the thrift store that would be just perfect if they could be tweaked a little bit. And it's just so wonderful to be able to do those tweaks by yourself. Now for this shirt, it also generally fit me very well, but the neck was too wide and my bra straps showed. So I put in pins to mark where my bra straps would be. And over at the sewing machine, I overlapped the back of the shirt with the front of the shirt at that mark, and I just secured it with a little bar tack, which is a little stitch that goes from side to side. And with that quick alteration, my bra straps no longer show. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Please like and subscribe and comment if you did, and have a wonderful day.